Turkey Day is over, and it's time to figure out what to do with all of this leftover turkey. So let's make something real special today. It's pretty simple, but it tastes amazing. Turkey salad, Chris Cookin' Nashville style. All right, folks, this is going to be a pretty straightforward and simple one today, which, let's be honest, after Thanksgiving, which I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, we're probably all in the mood to not have to do something particularly complicated. Now, everything I'm about to do can be done with a knife if you have the patience to chop everything up, but if you're like me and you're trying to make this as easy as possible, I suggest you use a food processor. This beautiful Cuisinart has been a workhorse in my kitchen since the day I got it. I'm going to link it down below. It is my favorite food processor I've ever used. It also won America's Test Kitchen's Best Food Processor. This is a fantastic investment, and if you're going to be doing recipes like mine, this is a really useful tool to have in the kitchen, and you're about to see it's going to make real quick work of this turkey salad. We're going to get everything put together. I have leftover turkey, of course, from our Thanksgiving. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to link my turkey video down below for you. I also have some of my carnivore bread that was left over, and I just had it hanging out in the freezer. So if you wanted to know, can you freeze that bread and store it? Yes, this has been in my freezer for several months, and I thawed it out, and it's still nice and soft. It's going to be fantastic. We're going to make some toast. If you want to lean into just the carnivore version of this, we have spreadable butter mayo. I'm going to link that recipe for you down there as well. That's what we're going to use to put this all together, and you can stop right there. If you want to go a little more keto or ketovore, you can absolutely customize this with any turkey salad recipe you might have that would work with your keto or ketovore diet. I'm going to show you my version, which is a riff on the turkey salad my mom used to make for me every Thanksgiving with our leftover turkey. So let's go ahead and throw together Chris Cookin' Nashville and a little bit of Mama Nashville style turkey salad. So the secret to my mom's turkey salad was always for me the texture, and that's one of the reasons I like using the food processor so much. You can do this with a knife, but it takes a long time. I really like this fine textured turkey being turned into a turkey salad. It's just smooth and enjoyable for me to eat, and it also takes all of the skin and the fat that is on the dark meat, especially of the turkey, any of that stuff that's left over in there, and it just chops it up into such a fine texture that is so enjoyable to eat, especially on toasted bread. So I made it nice and fine. You can leave it whatever texture you want. We're going to shout out my mom a little bit more now, and I'm going to show you how I would make it carnivore, and then how I'm going to go a little more keto or ketovore and make it like she would have. This is about a cup of butter mayo. You can use more or less depending on the texture of turkey salads you want. I'm gonna mix it in, and if it needs a little bit more, I'll add a little bit more, but you add however much mayo for however wet of a texture of turkey salad you would like. All right, so I have this mixed up. This is kind of a soft, pasty texture. That's kind of how I like my turkey salad. If you like it drier, use less mayo. If you like it wetter, use more mayo. It's entirely up to you. One batch of butter mayo is going to be about the amount that you probably need for this, which was around 3 cups of ground turkey. Just depends on how much turkey you have and how much mayo you like in your salad recipe. So make it however you want it to be. And that is the carnivore version. Now I'm going to show you, if you're keto or ketovore, how you can lean a little more in the direction tradition of the way my mom did it. And for me, this will be a Thanksgiving memory coming back. So I'm going to do a couple of things that she always did, and then I'm going to do a couple of things that she probably wouldn't do, and she can confirm if that's the case or not. But I don't believe she ever used celery. I am going to use one small stalk of celery, and I don't believe she ever used shallots. I think she used a little bit of onion, but I'm going to use some shallot because I think that's going to be a nice touch. Otherwise, this is based on the way she would do it. I'm going to add in a garlic clove that I'm going to dice up really small, and I'm going to add in a little bit of this sambal olik, which is a garlic chili paste, and it offers a little bit of spice. So if you can handle some spice, this is a really nice flavor additive. And I'm going to use some Dijon mustard for flavor as well. So let's go ahead and get this all chopped up. We'll mix this in and I'll show you how we mix it together, and then we can toast up some carnivore bread and we can try this turkey salad. So once you get the amount of mayonnaise right so that the turkey salad is how you like it, the next thing is to take the time to dice all those veggies nice and fine. That's just my personal preference. You can leave them whatever size you like. I think it's really refined to get all of those veggies diced up, and you get the flavor in each bite much better. I think it's just a more pleasant thing to eat. All we got to do is stir it together, and then let's toast up some bread. Last thing we need to do once it's all stirred together, taste for salt and any additional seasoning you might want to add. I'm going to add in a little bit of black pepper because we really enjoy that, and a couple of pinches of salt. Stir it together, and let's make some toast and put together this taste test. All right, that is the keto, ketovore, or if you leave out the veggies, carnivore version of turkey salad and turkey salad sandwiches. I've never made turkey salad for you before.
No, first time.
Yeah, you said you used to eat it as a kid though when you guys would do Thanksgiving?
I sure did. We would do the leftover turn into turkey salad, and sometimes we put other stuff on it too. So like cranberry sauce, stuffing, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, great way to use up leftovers.
Absolutely, absolutely. And if you guys made my turkey salad, you are going to have an incredible meal, especially if you used my turkey method to make that turkey salad. So put it on some carnivore bread or maybe some carnivore crackers or something similar, and it's a pretty amazing deli-style lunch that most of us probably thought we'd never have again. So yeah. I'm interested to see what you think, so give it a try.
Awesome. I'm excited. This looks so pretty, by the way. I love this on like the bed of lettuce. I also love that your carnivore bread toast. It's like one of my favorite things. Yeah. So good. Oh my gosh. Wow. Best turkey salad I've ever had. That is seriously amazing, babe. Your carnivore bread, clearly incredible. Your salad, though, the flavors, the way it's seasoned, the texture. I mean, that's amazing. This is super, super, super good. When you made this turkey, it was absolutely delicious. The turkey salad I knew was going to be good. I took a bite, though, and it's just like, it's even better. It's better than what I even anticipated.
Don't
So
forget,
good.
I have that turkey video linked down below for you guys. So if you have a turkey hanging out in the freezer that you have not already used for Thanksgiving, or if you're getting ready for cooking a turkey at Christmas or something like that, I have an incredible method for making that turkey amazing. And then you can do things like this with it afterwards. So definitely go down to the description box down below and check that out if you haven't already.
Seriously, the best turkey salad I've ever had.
Well, a lot of that is thanks to my mom, because doing a lot of the seasoning and teaching me how to get the texture right and all that kind of stuff, that all came from her. And I have some modifications of my own just based on the flavors that we like. You can customize this however you want. So if you want it to be super carnivore, do the spreadable butter mayo, do the turkey, and call it a day. And you can do the carnivore bread, and you can still have a great turkey salad sandwich. If you want to do more keto or ketovore, add in those other veggies and seasonings as you wish and as works for your diet.
I would eat this any time of year. So freaking good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Amazing, babe.
Yeah, this is a really cool way to use up your Thanksgiving turkey. There's some other ideas I have for Thanksgiving leftovers as well. If you guys would like to see that, put that in the comments down below. I'd be glad to show you. This is a wonderful way for me to sort of re-experience my childhood growing up and having turkey salad after Thanksgiving. Big shout out to my mom for teaching me how to make turkey salad just like this. Even if I do modify the recipe a bit, that base there is because of how good she's always been at making turkey salad. So thank you so much for watching. All of my links are going to be down below, including the recipe for that turkey that you're going to want to know how to make, whether it's for this or just for turkey for whatever event you have coming up. It was incredible. Everything else is down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love and appreciate every single one of you. Big shout out to the band that keeps this going, our YouTube members and Patreon members. We have some special stuff coming for you guys after the holidays here as well. This is Chris Cooking Nashville, my beautiful wife, Ash Taylor. Guys, eat your meat, even if it looks like turkey salad. Love your life. We're going to see you here in the kitchen for more recipes. And if you like this, you should go check this video out right over here.
Yum. So I accidentally dropped a little bit and your dog just like dove for it.
Yeah, I'm sure she did.
She went like up and under. Why is this so tasty? Thank you, Mom in Nashville. Very, very tasty.